So ano nangyari kay Bitcoin? So sinigdal pa naman natin na nagba-buy tayo dito. So talaga naman nagba-buy tayo dito because it came from 80,000 dollars per Bitcoin. Then it went up to as high as 91, 92 thousand dollars per Bitcoin. So may buying potential naman talaga, but this kind of dump, it's a crypto thing talaga. So I would say na ayan, yung white dot na putol-putol, that's an exponential moving average. So what we can do is that every time na lalapit siya dyan sa either sa dilaw or sa white na linya na yan, those are exponential moving average. Those are resistance levels that we can use for our short entries, no? So mga sell entries natin. So we look for sell opportunities here. So we may not have this kind of dump, no, or we may not have this kind of selling pressure, but we can still expect some downside movement. So yung immediate na pwede pa niyang paglapagan is around $80,000. So we can just look left kung saan siya bumagsak the last time. So we can refer to that, and we can use that as our take profit levels, or we can target that price level. So yun lang. Make sure na you always have stop loss. So yun nga, meron man tayong stop loss sa ating mga signals. And yun, syempre kung may stop loss tayo, yun nga, we have losses, pero hindi ganun kalaki, no? Kumbaga alam natin kung magkano yung mawawala sa atin. So ito, if we bought from the $92,000 all the way down to 86,000, so that's around $60, no? Or depende sa lot size nyo, no? So 0.01 lot size, it's around $60 maybe. So and always set your stop loss, and pwede nyo siyang hanapan ng short entries, no? So pag lumapit siya dun sa mga moving averages, so hindi lang natin syempre masasaktuhan talaga yan, no? Kumbaga parang we use our best judgment. So like this, ito nag-rally na siya from the very down, umakyat na siya sa $86,000 ng konti, then nagkaroon na naman ng curve pababa. So those are the kind of things na we use our judgment, no? Kung kailan tayo mag-entry talaga. So if you are looking for an opportunity or for a community na you can learn, so we have our community, nandiyan lang yung link yan sa description box and sa bio natin. So we do free webinars there and other stuff. So I hope to see you there.